Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Yoast SEO for Shopify Product SEO Basics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Yoast SEO for your Shopify Product SEO Basics, start by opening your Shopify admin. Next, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO to find the app. Click on the Yoast SEO app from the search results. Once on the apps page, click the Add App button. Log in with your Shopify credentials if prompted. After adding the app, you will be redirected to your Shopify admin. Locate the Yoast SEO app in your app list and open it. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Yoast SEO account. Input your website details, including your store name and URL. Next, choose the type of content you will be optimizing. Select the appropriate product categories for your store. Customize your SEO settings according to your brand needs. Yoast SEO will guide you through configuring meta titles and descriptions. Begin optimizing your product listings by editing their details. For each product, input a catchy title and a concise description. Add relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Utilize the readability analysis feature to enhance your content. Once you complete your product SEO, save your changes. Regularly review your SEO performance through the Yoast dashboard. Make adjustments as needed based on analytics and suggestions. This will ensure your Shopify store remains optimized for search engines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.